Here's a 2015 Chrysler 200. The composure, the presence, and the comfort of this 200 will sweep you away. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.